Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Business and consumer confidence for the 2022 first quarter remained stable despite registering a slight decline compared to the fourth quarter of 2021. Both indices reflect improved perception for some survey markers compared to the same period in 2021. Javon Keys reports.
Business confidence saw a negligible decline for the first 3 months of this year compared to the fourth quarter in 2021. At a press briefing Tuesday, Head of Market Research Limited Don Anderson says business confidence at 131.1 points was not far off from the 5-year average of the index. He says compared to the 2021 first quarter, businesses were a bit more optimistic.
15.3% said in 2021 first quarter that profits were better than expected. That moved up to 18.8% in the first quarter of 2022, marginal. So we note that this is in line with the very slight movement downward, albeit, of the overall perception that businesses have of the confidence right now. What about investment and expansion? 49% in 2021 first quarter said it was a good time to invest. That is down to 47%. Marginal decline, but noticeably notwithstanding.
The consumer confidence was 157 points, a 1.9% drop compared to the December 2021 quarter.
7.7% said current business conditions are good. That moved up to 10.7% in the first quarter of 2022. And therefore, consumers are feeling better about business conditions on the basis of this particular report.
Consumer perception of the job market also improved. Both businesses and consumers were, however, concerned about inflation and the Ukraine-Russia crisis. Mr. Anderson says while the results show some stability, it's still early to say whether the business and consumer confidence are on a consistent upward trend. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Business process outsourcing company Alorica is looking to ramp up its local workforce as the company increases its client base. Alorica says it is now looking to fill 350 positions over the next few weeks. The quest for more workers comes as a number of industries, including the construction, telecommunication, and hospitality industries, struggle to regain its pre-pandemic workforce due to labor shortages. The U.S. currency is selling for an average $155.53, $123.42 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $197.20 for the pound, and $167.60 for the euro. The JC index declined by 4,034 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 36 points. Among today's winners were 1834 Investments, Everything Fresh, Consolidated Bakers Jamaica, Key Insurance Company, and Jetcon Corporation. While on the losing side were Caribbean Assurance Brokers, iCreate, JMMB Group, 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Supreme Ventures, and Mayberry Investments. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.